Ishwar Dutt, a prominent figure in India's fight for independence, passed away on July 20, 1965. Born on November 18, 1910, Dutt is best remembered for his daring act on April 8, 1929, when he, alongside Bhagat Singh, threw a bomb in the Parliament House. This act of defiance aimed to make a statement against British rule without causing harm. Imprisoned for life and sent to the dreaded Kala Pani, Dutt conducted historic hunger strikes in 1933 and 1937. Releasing in 1938, he was re-arrested in 1940 and finally freed in 1945. After independence, he resided in Patna, Bihar. Upon his death, he was cremated at Hussainiwala in Punjab, along his fellow revolutionaries Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Dutt's legacy as a freedom fighter remains etched in history, symbolizing resistance and sacrifice. On July 20, 1924, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar established the Bahiskrit Hitakarni Sabha in Mumbai, aiming to secure equal rights for Dalits and backward classes. Guided by the principle educate, organize and agitate, the Sabha focused on promoting education and culture among Dalits. It opened numerous schools and hostels to uplift the community. The Sabha also sought to improve the economic conditions of Dalits and bring their issues to appropriate forums. Dr. Ambedkar's efforts through the Sabha aimed to foster socio-political awareness and address the challenges faced by those labelled as untouchables. Anna Chandy, India's first woman judge, passed away on July 20, 1996. Born on April 5, 1905 in Travancore, Kerala, she earned her Bachelor of Laws degree in 1926. In 1937, she was appointed as a sub-judge in Travancore, marking a historic milestone for women in the judiciary. In 1948, she further broke barriers by becoming the first woman judge of the Kerala High Court. Throughout her career, Anna Chandy championed women's rights and equality, delivering numerous significant judgments and advocating for greater female representation in the judiciary. Her legacy remains a testament to her trailblazing contributions to Indian law and society. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong made history as the first human to step onto the moon, accompanied by fellow astronauts Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. Under the Apollo 11 mission, Armstrong spent about 2.5 hours on the lunar surface, during which he hoisted the US flag, walked and took photographs. He also collected soil samples before returning to Earth on July 24. The trio had undergone rigorous training since 1965 for this monumental journey. The Apollo 11 spacecraft launched from Kennedy Space Center on July 16, 1969 at 9:32 a.m., covering over 240,000 kilometers in the 76 hours to achieve this groundbreaking milestone in space exploration.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी, एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी, एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Edmund Hillary, born on July 28, 1919, was the first person to reach the summit of Mount Everest, achieving this historic feat with Tenzing Norgay on May 29, 1953. In the honor of their accomplishment, International Mount Everest Day is celebrated annually on May 29, a tradition established in 2008. Hillary and Norgay spent 15 minutes on the peak capturing photographs of their remarkable achievement. For his bravery and contributions, Hillary was knighted and became known as Sir Edmund Hillary. He passed away on January 11, 2008, leaving behind a legacy of exploration and courage. Bruce Lee, born Lee Jun-fan on November 27, 1940 in Hong Kong, died on July 20, 1973 at the age of 32. Renowned as the king of martial arts, Lee made martial arts globally popular through his groundbreaking films like The Big Boss, Fist of Fury, and Game of Death. Trained in Wing Chun, his unique style and technique revolutionized martial arts cinema. Lee's untimely death was attributed to brain edema, but it sparked controversy and speculation, with some even alleging foul play. Despite his short life, Bruce Lee's legacy endures as a symbol of martial arts excellence and international stardom. World Chess Day is observed globally on July 20th, commemorating the establishment of International Chess Federation on this date in Paris in 1924. The day was first celebrated in 1966 following UNESCO's proposal to honor FIDE. Chess, with origins believed to trace back to ancient India under the name Chaturanga, saw its first modern tournament in London in 1951, won by German player Adolf Anderssen. World Chess Day celebrates this rich history and the global impact of the game.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.